Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to view the sheets that are shared with you in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. Well, as you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application right now. I'm currently signing into my freshly created brand new account, which I only created only for these videos. Let's say somebody shared a file with me or a sheet with me, but I can't find it. How can I find those files? Well, what you're gonna do is pretty simple. What you have to do is click on these three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Click on those. And here you have the third option called Shared with Me. You just have to click on those. And here will appear all of the shared files. I don't have any here because, as I said, this account is brand new. But if you have any, they will all appear here. I can guarantee you that. Okay, guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.